Yesterday, I was tired. Today, I am tired. Tomorrow? Honestly, I already know the answer. Also tired. At this point, I am not a person anymore. I am just a battery permanently stuck at 12%. Maybe you know this feeling. You sleep, you wake up, and somehow you are still tired. How is that possible? Sleeping is supposed to fix this. That is literally sleep's entire job. But many people feel tired every day, and sometimes the reason is not what you think. Before we continue, quick question. How tired are you right now? Be honest. A little tired? Very tired? Or if I sit on a couch for 10 seconds, it's over. No judgment. This is a safe place for tired people. Now, here is something funny. When we feel tired, we often blame sleep. And yes, sleep is important. Very important. Beautiful. Magical. But sometimes the problem is not sleep. Sometimes the problem is your day. Imagine this. You wake up. The first thing you see is your phone. You check messages, news, videos, social media. 20 minutes disappear, like socks in a washing machine. Nobody knows where they went. Your brain just woke up, and immediately, boom, information attack. Your mind is already running before your feet touch the floor. By 10 a.m., your brain has read 50 headlines, 3 arguments online, and 12 videos about things you never planned to watch. And it's only morning. No wonder you're tired. Your brain is like, "Excuse me, can we have one quiet minute?" But life says, absolutely not. More notifications. Now imagine another day. You wake up, you drink water, you open a window, you stretch. No phone for 10 minutes. Suddenly the morning feels different. Not perfect, but calmer. Small things matter. Very small things. Sometimes people think they need a new life. Actually, they need a new habit. Tiny difference. Now let's talk about another energy thief. Decisions. Did you know your brain gets tired from making decisions? Think about it. What should I wear? What should I eat? Should I answer this message? Should I go to the gym? Should I watch 1 episode? And then 5 episodes later, your brain files a complaint. Modern life gives us thousands of choices, and choices cost energy. That is why some people wear similar clothes every day, not because they are boring, because their brain is saving battery. Smart. Very smart. Now here's another question for you. Do you ever say, "I'm resting," but during rest, you're scrolling on your phone? Careful. This is a trap. Sometimes we think we're resting, but our brain is still working. Reading, watching, comparing, thinking, scrolling, more scrolling, infinite scrolling. Humanity invented a machine that never says, "That's enough for today." Imagine eating at a buffet that never ends. That's social media. Your brain keeps taking tiny bites all day. Eventually, it gets full and tired. Very tired. Now let's talk about something surprising. Movement gives energy. I know, sounds illegal. When you're tired, exercise feels like the worst idea in history. Your body says, "Please sit down," forever. But often after a short walk, people feel better. Not because walking is magic, because humans were built to move. Your body is basically an old machine. If it doesn't move for too long, strange things happen. Energy goes down, mood goes down, everything becomes harder. Even answering emails starts feeling like climbing a mountain. Now let's talk about stress. Stress is sneaky. Sometimes people think, "I'm fine." Meanwhile, their shoulders are somewhere near their ears. Their jaw is tight. Their brain has 20 tabs open, just like a computer, and some tab is playing music, but nobody knows which one. Stress is exhausting. Even if you don't notice it, your body notices. Always. Now imagine this. You work all day. You solve problems. You answer messages. You think. You worry. You plan. Then evening comes, and you tell yourself, I didn't do enough today. Very unfair. Your brain has been working since morning. Give it some credit. Brains are amazing, but even amazing things need rest. Now here's something interesting. Many people wait for motivation. They say, when I have energy, I'll start. But often it works the other way. You start first. Energy comes later. Not always, but surprisingly often. Like washing dishes. Nobody wants to start. But once you begin, suddenly it's not so terrible. Still not fun, but less terrible. Now let's do a small experiment. Tonight, try one simple thing. Choose only one. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier. Take a 10-minute walk. Drink more water. Spend 10 minutes without your phone. Just one thing, not 20 things. Your brain is tired. Be kind to it. By the way, if you enjoy learning English through stories like this, I also share extra listening practice and a full English course on Patreon. The goal is simple: help you improve your English without turning learning into another source of stress. The link is below if you'd like to take a look. And now I want you to remember something important. Being tired doesn't mean you're lazy. Modern life is noisy, very noisy. Your brain works hard every day, maybe harder than you realize. So take care of it. Sleep when you can. Move a little. Rest for real. And maybe, just maybe, put your phone down once in a while. Your brain might send you a thank you letter if it still has enough battery left.